Hey, 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 welcome to Rolling with Balancing Meridians. We're having a fabulous lower half of the body routine today, so we're going to do nice and easy moves that aren't too difficult, but they're very effective. So we're going to go down the front of our shin, all the way to the foot. We're going to work on alignment, keeping ourselves nice and straight, making sure our heels don't come in or come out. That's important. And then we're going to impact into the shin for our very first move, and we're going to do both shins at the same time, or front of the leg, or tibia and fibia. That's the bones we're working on. We're going to start, feel your kneecaps, we're going to start right below the kneecaps. We're not going to be on that kneecap, we're going to be right on that bone. So if you were looking at my knee, this nice solid, here's my kneecap, this solid bone is totally great to start on. So, couple things. This you can do it completely laying down. So you can go totally laying down like this for one of them to put the balls down. I prefer, if you can get your legs this position, to put them right on your shin. So here we go. I'm going to just lift up my one shin, put it right there. Lift up my other leg, put it right there. Now you notice I already put the comfort ball in. I can get up on my knees, then I want to line that ball right between my feet, and I want to come right back. So then that helps create a nice straight heel. So you can check in, straight heel all the way down. And then as the balls are on the front, I want to keep as much weight as possible. So I'm going to actually lean forward here a little bit to create more weight on the front of my legs. Sinking and breathing. It's very cool to be able to do both legs at the same time. Try to get the same impact into the bone. Try to line things up. Couple breaths. You need about 30 seconds in each spot to really ignite that bone. Inhale, exhale, sink. The base of your exhale, I want you to come up on your knees, and I want you to pull yourself forward just slightly, sink back down. See how I'm holding the ball with my feet? That helps just keep everything in proper alignment, and I can sink back down. Feel it, breathe. Relax that upper shoulders. I keep my head nice and down just because it keeps proper alignment on my spine, and I'm trying not to do this. We live like this all the time, so I'm trying to really come back, but keep the weight over the ball. Again, 30 seconds here, and we can divide this leg just like we normally do. So we can divide this into 3 more sections until we get to that foot. Inhale, exhale, really sink, 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 sink. Base of that exhale, I want you to come up, put all the weight on the legs, and I want you to drag yourself forward. Let that ball go just about halfway. Again, I'm holding that ball with my comfort ball with my feet, keeping those nice and aligned. My heels like to go in, so I'm really working on keeping my heels out. As we come down, it's being able to sit up more and more because the weight is going to be further and further back on your body. Inhale, exhale, and sink. Position a little bit, find those spots to get good impact into the bone, keep those feet straight. Breathe deeply. Try to really get your breath all the way into the bottom of your legs. I know you have no lungs there, but that doesn't mean we can't energetically get that breath in. As we inhale, we almost come up, and as we exhale, we really sink down. Base of that exhale, let's come up again. Bring that weight. Slide her down. So I'm right before that ankle. On both sides. Again, I'm holding onto that comfort ball. I'm not losing it. I'm watching my feet. I'm sinking down. At this point, my knees are actually going to come up off the ground. That's totally fine. I'm engaging my belly. I'm really sinking down and making my back nice and flat here. And I'm allowing my quads to release down into the back of the calves, into the shins. Again, checking with those feet. Comfort ball's nice here. I'm just letting myself sink right down. Take a nice inhale. Exhale, sink, 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 sink. As we exhale, I'm going to come forward. I'm going to drag myself forward right where that ball is, at the ankle. Losing my comfort ball here, but no worries. Again, watching those heels, taking them nice and straight. Inhale, engage that belly. Exhale, sink down. Beautiful. Really feel that nice dorsal stretch. So that's stretching the top of the foot. Again, I'm looking in to make sure I'm nice and aligned, making sure my feet are good. Belly's engaged, sinking down. You're going to get a nice start feeling those quads working, front of the legs working, back of the legs are more releasing. Let's inhale. Exhale, really sink, sink, sink. Base of that exhale, we're gonna bring that ball actually onto our foot now. So let's bring ourselves forward again. Let that ball go right on the top of the foot. So now I'm gonna bring that comfort ball in. I'm gonna make sure my heels are out, feet are straight, sinking back, really engaging that belly and sinking and pressing. I like to actually hold my feet here because my feet want to do other things. I want a good dorsal stretch. I want a good stretch on the top of my foot. Inhale, exhale, sink. Again, engaging that belly, putting as much weight as I can on where the black balls are. Take one more inhale here. Exhale, sink, 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 sink. And we're going to go to the last position, which is as far as we can on the top of the feet. So I'm really getting right in there. Sinking down, I'm going to press my knuckles into those feet, and I'm just going to let that nice dorsal stretch. Keep the heels straight. I'm actually sitting on my heels, sinking and breathing, engaging that belly, relaxing my head and neck. Really feeling the top of my foot stretch here. It's an incredibly great stretch. Really, really good. If you can't do this yet, that's okay. Take your time. It's taken me years to be able to do this, so just honor yourself where you're at and maybe do this in a couple steps. No worries. Inhale, exhale, and you're just going to slowly just slide yourself right on out. And you have now completed the front of the leg roll. Well done, fabulous rollers. I'll check you later. See you on the ball.